Hello students, this is Prakasham sir from Math Beyond Marks, where you can learn concepts first and marks will follow automatically. Welcome back to our class 9 Mathematics series chapter 2 Introduction to Linear Polynomials. Today it is going to be exercise set 2.2. Before going to exercise set 2.2, I want to give you a small introduction. In the previous videos, we have learned about terms, constants, variables, coefficients, almost all the things we covered, and types of polynomials based on the number of terms, types of polynomials based on degree, all those things we have seen. Suppose anybody hasn't seen that videos, please go to the previous videos, watch them and come back so that you can understand very well. Now I'll give you one example that there are two numbers such that one number is 10 more than the other number. How you will describe that one? That means one number is x and other number is x plus 10. Remember, I didn't say what is the value of this number. That's why I'm using x. The statement will come like this only. There are two numbers such that one number is x and other number is x plus 10. But this is just sum of these two is something. What is that something? Just I will say 64. Sum of these two numbers is 64. That means how you will write this one? This will write it as x plus x plus 10. Two numbers that becomes 64. Now what happens? This becomes 2x plus 10 equal to 64. Now this gets a new shape. What is that new shape? It becomes an equation now. Yes, till now we have seen this as a polynomial. In that polynomial, this is just a binomial. Now this will call it as equation. What is an equation now? Equating a polynomial to some value. That means we are framing the conditions we are giving such that it becomes an equation. Here the example is sum of two numbers is 64 and one number, there is a condition. Or two numbers 64 means what? There will be a problem. If I say just simply sum of the two numbers is 64, there are more possibilities. 1 comma 63 first chance, or 0 comma 64. Okay, one number may be 0, another may be 64. Then 2 comma 62. Like that, there are so many possibilities. That's why one more condition. What is it? One more condition. The sum, that is one number is 10 more than the other. So based on this one, we are going to, it should be like this, and also you should have that one. Then only you can solve this one and we can frame it as an equation. Like this you can frame equation. Sum of the two numbers is 64. Yes, sum of the two numbers means x plus y equal to 64. You can form it. That is okay. Then it becomes just an equation, but we cannot solve it. Okay, to find the value, they have to give one more condition such that it can be solved easily. Now here 2x plus 10 equal to 64. Now we can solve this question. So 2x equal to 64. This plus 10 goes here, it becomes minus 10. Then it becomes 54. 2x equal to 54. Then automatically x equal to 27. Yes, you know x is 27. 2 times of x is 54 means 1 time of x equal to 27. Let me check that number now. One number is 27 and another number is x plus 10. 27 plus 10, that is 37. Add these two. When I add these two, it will become 27 plus 37, that is 64. Now this equation satisfies both. What is that? This one. What satisfies both? Two numbers are there. Okay, good. That one number is 10 more than the other number. Like that you can frame lot of questions and solve them easily. This type of sums we are going to see in the exercise set 2.2. Shall we go to that one? To begin with, they are giving equation like this. What is that? They are giving, to begin the exercise, first question they are giving like this. Find the value of the linear polynomial 5x minus 3 if. So they gave linear polynomial, that means degree 1 power 1. So if x equal to 0, so 5x minus 3 is the question. Okay, 5x minus 3, when x equal to 0, what will happen? When x equal to 0, 5 into 0 minus 3, this becomes 0, the value is minus 3. So what is the value of the polynomial if x equal to 0? It is minus 3. When x equal to minus 1, substitute that one. 5 into minus 1 minus 3, that becomes 5 into minus 1 minus 5 minus 3, that is minus 8. This is, then next one, when x equal to 2, 5 into 2 minus 3, that is 10 minus 3, that is 7. That means what you have to understand why this question is given. One polynomial, just linear polynomial, it can become quadratic, cubic, all those things you are going to read. Different types you are going to read in this thing, but first basically they took one linear polynomial and asking to find the value when x equal to 0, when x equal to 1 and when x equal to 2. I hope you are clear, my dear students. Let us go to next question. I hope this is the same question. Find the value of the quadratic polynomial 7s square minus 4s plus 6 if s equal to 0, s equal to minus 3, s equal to 4. Now I will take the tough one. S equal to minus 3, I will do only one sum. I recommend you to do the remaining two sums yourself and comment in the comment section. Write the answer in the comment section. So first one, 7s square minus 4s plus 6. When s equal to minus 3, this becomes 7 into minus 3 whole square minus 4 into minus 3 plus 6, that is equal to minus 3 whole square is 9. 7 into 9 minus 4 into minus 3 is plus 12 and plus 6. So what it happens? 7 9s are 63 plus 12 plus 6, 18. Now add it, it will come. The answer is 81. 63 plus 18, that is 8 plus 8 means 71 and 81 is the answer. I hope you are able to understand. My dear students, find the value for the other two, first one and third one, and write the answer in the comment section, like second one, second, third, like that. Give the comment section. Let us go to next question. Okay, let me go to the next question. What is that? Just the percentage of Salil's mother is 3 times Salil's percentage. So they are comparing two people. One is Salil and mother. So percentage of Salil's mother is 3 times of Salil's percentage. This is very important question. You have to listen very carefully. What is that? Here two people are compared, but you know Salil is younger than Salil's mother. So Salil's mother is 3 times the Salil. That means what I am going to do, we have to do like this only. Let Salil's age, not as capital, not small. Let Salil's age equal to x years. I am going to consider because we don't know about how much, just they are comparing. Then what about mother's age? Salil's mother's age equal to how much? Present age of Salil's mother is 3 times of Salil's present age, that is nothing but 3x. These two are present ages. At present they are there. After 5 years, after 5 what they will be? After 5 they will be, one will be x plus 5 and the other will be 3x plus 5. Are you able to understand? So whatever it is now, after 5 years, 3 times will be there, but 5 years will be added. So 3x plus 5. Okay, now the condition is given. Their ages will add up to, yes, that condition is not there, nothing. This is just an information. When it become an equation, what they give, their ages after 5 years adds up to 70 years. That means what? X plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 equal to 70. This becomes an equation now. These two are expressions. That expressions they are giving one condition to make it an equation. Now it becomes an equation. Next one we have to solve it. That means x and 3x are like terms. It will become 4x. And 5 and 5 will become 10. The 10 goes there. I can simplify one step. So 70 minus 10, that is 4x equal to 60 and x equal to 15. So 4x equal to 60 and x equal to 15. Therefore, Salil's present age is 15 and mother's now present age is 45. After 5 years, what is after 5 years? This one. That means it will become 20. Salil will become 20 and mother will become 50. Then that adds up to 70. That's all. So now what we observed in this one is a polynomial becomes an equation when we place an equal sign and compare it with another quantity. Okay, that's over. And we solved 3 sums, but still 4 more sums are there. I'll make this video itself as part B and solve those 4 questions in that one. My dear students, if you like the way of my teaching, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you will get notifications whenever I am posting the video. I am having a plan to post all the videos of this new class 9 textbook sums. Okay, now also click the like button so that I feel happy. If anything I want to improve, just give me the suggestions in the comment section. Also the questions what and all I asked, write the answers in the comment section. We will meet in the part 2 of this video and see the remaining questions. Okay, see you in the next video. Until then, bye from your Pragasam sir.